So hello everyone, this is Nikhil. Today I am going to start a debate with my friend. That's name is Saurabh Sharma. My topic name is village life versus city life, but I have selected village life. Do you know in the village there is many members which live life so good, but in the city they are not living like good.
But do you know that in the city, every villager person go for earning money because they don't get a job to earn money in the village. That's why city is good.
Do you know, bro? In the present time, because of a villager person, city is running. If villager person not go in a city for working, then in the city there is nothing.
Bro, it is a compulsion of villager person. It is not means that city is running because of villager persons.
So, bro, do you know in the village there is not a much facility, but there is some facility, and villager person they are living their life, not surviving. But in the present time, city person are surviving their life because in the city there is many disease, like there is many vehicles they are running and they are releasing CO2.
Bro, then why villager person are wanting to copy city person's life? Because every villager person want to purchase new car, bikes, and other big and costly vehicles, because they know city persons living are city persons are living a luxurious life. That's why they are copied to city persons.
Do you know it is not a matter if villager is city person are living a luxurious life and comfortable for life, but our villagers are doing hard work for a city person, because do you know in the present time villagers are doing hard work in a field and they grow up the many crops and then city person eat it.
Bro, city persons also provide the many types of fertilizers, and do you know a villager person doesn't grow the fruits. Villager person get fruits from cities.
It's your illusion, bro. Because do you know in the city there is not a much field, but in the village there is a much field and villager person grown up many fruits, vegetables, etc.
Bro, villager person cannot grow the grapes, cannot grow the apples and any others, and many others fruits. But if I talk about city person, uh, they have a they have a field, like they can grow up that fruits. And you're talking about the value of fields, then in the value of fields, which is the value of field in the village, then there will be 100 times much better than in the city. That there will be a demand of that field in the city.
Do you know, bro? In the present time, city have a water park. Do you know? In the present time, city have a water park, and they are wasting a lot of water. But in the present time, our villager person save the water, and they are saying if we will not save the water, then in after some days, then we will not get us water.
Do you know, brother, all villager persons waste the water because they always uh, I mean, they always bath with a much water, because they just on their submersible, and they are starting the waste the water. But in the cities, city person know what is the value of water, and that's why because they will have to purchase the water. That's why they know what's the real value of water in humans life.
It's mean there is a water park in a city, then they are not wasting water.